Okay. Hello everyone, and good afternoon, and welcome to the JHC New Product Launch webinar today. And my name is Chi, and I will be your host today. And thank you all for joining us from different part of the world. And today, I'm very excited to introduce our latest industrial waterproof proof panel PC, which is called the WPPC-H1520T. Next page, please. Yes, we know in many industrial environment, a lot of equipment face constant challenge such as humidity, dust, high pressure washdowns, and extreme temperatures. And these harsh conditions demand a solution that is not only durable, but also reliable and easy to maintain. So that's why JHCTECH created the WPPC-H1520T, which is a high protection stainless steel panel PC engineered to deliver stable long-term performance even in the toughest environment. Okay, next page, please. Okay, so this is our agenda for today, and we will walk you guys through the key features and advantage of the product. And also, we have time for the Q&A session at the end. So during this session, feel free to leave your questions in the chat box. We will collect them and answer them during our Q&A session at the end. Okay. So now, without further ado, let me pass it over to our product manager, Miller, who will take you guys through all the details. So please welcome Miller. Miller.
Okay. Thank you, Chi, for your excellent introduce. So good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking the time to join this presentation. I'm Miller from the product department. Today, I'd like to share with everyone a real cool new product, industrial waterproof panel PC computer, WPPC-H1520. And in the upcoming presentation, I will refer to it as the new waterproof PC. So if you have any question during the presentation, feel free to jot them down. You can ask them later during the Q&A session. All right, let's get started now. Okay, here's a quick look at what we are being covering today. There are a total of 6 parts that make up today's presentation, including WPPC series roadmap, product specifications, key feature, target market, and all the information, and the new product process. Yeah. Okay, let's move on the first key point, roadmap. As you can see in this picture, we will release 3 new waterproof compute products with size of 10 inches, 15 inches, and 15.6 inches. We are the first to release a 15-inch waterproof computer because it has completed multiple verifications. Yeah. Afterwards, the other 2 products will also be released immediately. By the way, 17-inch and 21.5-inch waterproof computers are already under design and are expected to be released in the first quarter of 2026. Yeah. Okay, here is an overview of our product specifications. As you can see in these charts, the new waterproof computer supports 2 types of CPU platforms and up to 32 GB of RAM, and equipped with a 15-inch smooth competitive touch screen, and it also supports various I/O interface and expansion interface. In terms of structure, the design of the entire machine made of 304 stainless steel makes it very reliable. At the same time, the entire machine supports a high protection level of IP66 and 69. Okay, let's begin. Look at this picture. We can see all the external interface of the new waterproof computer. Include the interface we usually use, such as power supplies, USB, serial ports, network port. Apart from this, here are some interface with special function that I would like to share with you. The first one is a touch switch. When you press it, it indicates that the screen cannot be used with touch functionality. Yeah. The second one is the wind device. It can balance the internal pressure of the computer, which means that water mist won't from inside the screen. The third one is the option blank I/O interface. Customer can choose an ideal type, just like the three described in the picture, and then customize it. Yeah. Okay, this is the size drawing of the new waterproof PC, which all customers can refer to for design. It should be noted that its units is millimeters. Yeah. Okay, as you can see from this slide, the final product highlights of new waterproof PC makes it more competitive in the market. For example, Intel's latest generation low-power CPU platform and optical bonding and AF coating, narrow bezel design with 304 stainless steel construction, and M12 waterproof connectors with conformal coated PCB and IP66, IP69 rated for protection. Yeah. So I will share more detail about this book. Okay. Firstly, the new computer supports Intel's latest Twin Lake N150 processor. Compared to the previous generation N100 processor, it significantly improved performance by 33%. The 3D Mark's performance has improved by 11%. At the same time, it also supports Intel's 11th generation Tiger Lake processor. Yeah. Secondly, the touchscreen of the new waterproof PC uses optical bonding technology and AF progress design. From the comparison of the picture, we can see that optical bonding technology reduces sunlight reflection. Cooperating with AF technology, the new waterproof PC can bring better user experience. Yeah. Okay. So thirdly, okay, you can see the new waterproof PC has excellent auxiliary design. The narrow bezier design and the stainless steel material make its appearance unique. Compared to other similar products, we can clearly see that its border has been reduced by over 24%. This is a very cool thing. Yeah. Fourthly, we have adopted industrial-grade M12 external connectors to make the equipment more waterproof, and the internal circuit board also use polymer coating. This provides new waterproof PC double protection. Yeah. Okay, let's look at this page. What I want to express to you is that the biggest highlight of the new waterproof PC is the ultra high protection rating. So what are IP166 and IP169? The IP166 means that the new waterproof PC can be completed dust-proof and prevent water spread from any direction. The IP169 means that new waterproof PC can be completely dust-proof and prevent high temperature and high pressure water spread. Yeah. So generally speaking, the new waterproof PC can support both IP166 and IP169. This makes it very reliable. Okay, next, I would like to share with you some market application direction of this new product. Maybe your customer are experiencing these scenarios, so you can recommend our new products to them without hesitation. For example, on the food processing production line, some pork, beef, or chicken are processed, which makes their workstation very dirty. Therefore, workers often use water guns to quickly clean the device. But did you know that our new product is very suitable for this application? I think this scenario all customers would be interested in this product. Yeah. Okay, let's move on the second application scenarios. Do you know that in the environment of medicine development and production, some medical components exposed to the air can corrode electronic devices? So a lot of medical companies require the electronic device made of stainless steel. This is the only way to meet their high standard of the hygiene requirements. So when they need a great panel computer, I think we can perfectly meet the customer needs. Yeah. Okay. As you can see the picture, I think the third market direction can be recommended to any customer who does port business and shipping. As everyone knows, the weather at sea or ports is changeable. If an electronic device cannot be well protected from rain and humid air, so it's easy to fail. People are always seeking more secure and more reliable products, especially in many extreme environments. Yeah. This is the reason why WPPC is very suitable for this application scenario. Yeah, okay. Next, let's talk about the order information. On this page, we can see that there are a total of 4 specifications to choose from. Unfortunately, the Intel N150 process is out of stock at least until 2026, and we are currently unable to obtain supply. Yeah. So 3 Tiger Lake processors are available for sale, and there are 4 accelerators for option available. This means that customers can order any number of accelerators according to their own needs. Yeah. Okay, now I would like to introduce these 4 waterproof accelerators. From the picture, we can see that the M12 power cable with an adapter, M Ethernet cable, serial cable, and the USB cable. The power cable with adapter is longer than 2.5 meters. Yeah. And the length of the other 3 waterproof cable is 1.8 meter. Okay, let's focus on this page together. The production schedule for our new waterproof pen PC product is in the middle of December. This means everyone can start recommending it to customer right now. If you receive any suggestion from customer regarding these products, please feel free to provide feedback to our product department at any time. You and your customer suggestions are very important for us to improve our products. Yeah. Okay, this is a lab demo video of new waterproof panel PC. Let's take a look at how it's waterproof. Now you can see that even if water pass through the WPPC, it will not affect its normal operation, so it can work well in humid environments. But we do not recommend using it underwater. Yeah. Okay, then we'll open up for a QA session to discuss.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Miller, for your great presentation. And now it's the time for Q&A session. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to type them into the chat box. And before that, we also prepare 2 questions for you guys. Next page, please. Okay. So first question, does this waterproof PC support multiple installation method?
Okay. Now we are only support the Visa installation modes. If customer require support for other installation modes, they can connect us to customize different blocks for secure fiction. Yeah.
Next question, if my customer want to use it in an outdoor environment, are there any specific considerations to be aware of?
Okay. If the customer needs to use it in outdoor, I suggest avoiding direction sunlight as much as possible, as this can cause the equipment overheat. However, we can customize professional high brightness display screen and insulated glass levels for customers. Yeah. Afterwards, I think you can use it very well in outdoors.
Okay. There's a question from Vilas F. He asked, what's the use of vent? Does it's not valid IP66 standard?
Yeah, the Winter also supports IP 16.7, so the Winter is fit our product design. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, is there anyone has question? Okay, if you guys think of any question later on, feel free to reach out to us by email at marketing@jhctech.com.cn, and we are always happy to help. Okay.
Okay.
And okay, so now we are we reached to the end of today's webinar, and it was nice having you guys here. And I hope this webinar was helpful. And I also look forward to seeing the WPPC-H1520T in action with you soon. Okay, and if you like more product detail or want to collaborate with us, don't hesitate to contact us at marketing@jhc.com.cn. And also don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube and Facebook. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next time. Bye bye.